Wow, Pleasantries, new video! Top of the world by Pleasantries. Let's see what's this about. Okay, different sound, also different look with a 3D and a face. Top of the world, I'm on top of the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a character with 5 fingers. That's not what you usually see with animated characters. Usually it's like 3, 4 fingers and not 5. Actually, not even this, but like, all the fingers are literally same size, same height, except for the thumb. On top of the world.
Don't speak to me.
Oh, snap!
Tell me.
I to trade places. I can no longer take this. World. Imposter syndrome. No. Syndrome. No, don't get hit by imposter syndrome. No. Play what? Play what? George. Uh-oh. What's the face? Oh, that's someone you would want to marry. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's what you get when you combine claymation face with real life. It's like, oh no. Oh no, watch out. So now obviously there's a story with all these lyrics and whatnot, but hey, I'm lazy. So instead, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and subscribe the notification bell to know when I upload, because I don't know when I upload. Comment what else I should react to, and I'll see you later. Kapow.